Alright. Severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County. There it is. Great. Yeah. Oh yeah, that includes Madison, doesn't it? Alright, air it, bruv. This didn't activate either, did it? Not a whole lot activated during that tornado watch.
Central Dane County in south central Wisconsin until 4:30 p.m. At 3:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Monticello, or 10 miles northeast of Monroe, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Middleton, Stoughton, Waunakee, Verona, Oregon, McFarland, Monona, Marshall, Cottage Grove, Belleville, New Glarus, Shorewood Hills, Brooklyn, Maple Bluff, Monticello, Albany, and Dayton.
Can you move?
Other landmarks included are the following location: Wisconsin State Capitol. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south central Wisconsin. This is Noaa's Weather Radio, KZZ 57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. The station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Ogle, Stevenson, and Lee counties in Illinois, as well as Rock and Greene counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information.
All right.